Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your account was suspended because your linked Meta account does not follow our rules. So the first step you need to do is to log in into your Instagram account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on account center. So once you are in your account centers, you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see password and security. Click on that option, and here you can see an option of where you are logged in. And if you find any suspicious device, so review devices, and you can, if you find any suspicious device, you simply need to remove that. So once you remove, your issue get resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, you simply need to come, and you need to call, come on to the help center and click on report a problem. Click on report a problem, and here you need to include, so mention your screenshot here, and here you need to mention hi Meta, and here you need to mention your issue that my account is still banned, or I follow all the rules but still my account is suspended, so kindly help me get my account back. And you simply need to send. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.